Welcome back to my channel. So after the longest time I have come up with this haul kind of a video in which I'm going to show you this one brand haul that I have purchased quite some time back, and presently they are giving good offers on sales and everything. So I thought give my reviews over this brand products which I have. So I have 4 products from this brand called Earth Rhythm. So Earth Rhythm is an Indian, it's basically a brand which started back in the year of 2015, and it's continued and doing really great in the market with a wide range of skincare, lip care, hair care products. As you see already, I have lip care product, a sunscreen, a rosehip oil, and a shampoo bar. So it pertains to all lip care and skin care and as well as hair care. So this basically started as with the name of Soapworks in the year 2015 when they initiated, launched this brand, and then they have changed the name. All the products are EcoSource certified, cruelty free, and also they are clinically tested. So you need not worry about their harmful effects or anything from this any products of this brand. So I am going to talk about my experience with all of this. Some of it, like for this example, shampoo bar is completely exhausted. This my sunscreen is also almost over. I'm yet to this is maybe halfway through, and same with this one. So presently they are giving this buy one get one sale, and also on and off you get their flash sale offers and all of that. And if you keep a watch on their website, you can get their products at a really affordable rate. They are not a very high end they are not pricing is not a very high end, but then even then if you feel like you should order it, for the first time trial at least you should get it at a very cheaper price. Then you can go back to those days in which they give those flash sales or buy one get one offer or zero shipping charges or something like that. So let's go to the products one by one. This actually I bought it from Amazon. So I got the shampoo bar, and which is this milk protein variant, and along with this, I think with 10 rupees extra or something you get this nice tin cover. So I opted for that. I did not get this from their own website, that is the Earth Rhythm website. I got it from Amazon. You get their Earth Rhythm's majority of the products in Amazon as well. So okay, so coming to the shampoo bar experience, this is one of the first shampoo bar that I have tried. Okay, I would not say I was very happy with it, because initially I literally struggled using a shampoo bar. Like liquid shampoos are way easier to use than a solid shampoo bar if you are the one who's not used to it. So it was kind of getting entangled, the bar was getting entangled with my hair and stuff like that. Plus, one more disadvantage which I would say with this shampoo bar is that it does not remove the heavy oiling. So I'm a person who generally oils the hair regularly, and I do a heavy oiling on my hair. It does not. If you are looking for it to remove your heavy oil, then it is it's gonna be a challenge. So the time when I had purchased this was priced something around 250 something around 649 rupees. I must have got it on some discount which I really don't remember. I exhausted this long back. I just kept this tin box because it comes handy. Also you can keep your store your jewelries and stuff like that. So overall, okay, the days when I did not oil my hair and my hair kind of started getting used to using shampoo bars, it was really good. It gave that healthy shine on my hair, and of course you have to follow up with a conditioner. There's no excuse to use such of a conditioner. But then of course if you are the person who's strict no of not shampooing your hair without oil, then this is not the one for you. So that is what is my shampoo bar experience. So I would rate it like 3 out of 5. So now next comes to this rosehip seed oil. So this is the oil which has become my current favorite, and I'm trying to figure out the price of this rosehip seed oil. Okay, so the price is actually 625 rupees. Okay, this might what I do is that I tone my face with a toner, that is I use a Dermafic toner which is really good on my skin. And after I have toned my face, you see the consistent, it is yellow, dark yellow, and it of course will not give you that yellow tint. And okay, just one disclaimer here, I have normal to combination skin type, and it suits me amazingly well. Of course, in the initial few days when I started applying it, I felt, oh my god, it is so greasy and oily, but then it actually gives you a nice plump nourished skin when you wake up in the morning. So I use it only like 3 to 4 drops on my skin after I have toned my hair, toned my skin, and then I go to sleep. Like I give it a sitting time of half an hour to 45 minutes, and then I go to bed. So that way, like I get a nice nourished skin in the morning. So I'm almost like halfway through, and this will take some time to get exhausted also, because you are using it only like 4 to 3 drops, right? So it comes with a dropper, which makes it very convenient to use. And if I show you the consistency, it's like this. So being a like normal to combination skin type, this never gave me any add-on pimples because of the usage of this one. But I really love the effect. Like it gives a nice nourished skin in the morning for me. So yeah, that is 4.5 out of 5 for this one, because I am also like quite happy with the pricing point of view of this oil, because I have checked a lot of other brands also, though this is the first brand whose rosehip seed oil I have actually tried, but I have also seen the pricing of other brands which are quite on the higher side as compared to this one. So that way you can definitely, if you're looking for a nice good rosehip seed oil which is cold pressed and good to use, you can definitely go for it. Next comes this Ultra Defense Sun Protect 100% mineral based sunscreen. So it's a mineral sunscreen which I absolutely love. Okay, again this disclaimer stands, I have a normal to combination skin type, so it also might become little too greasy for people who have completely oily skin, because this has a very runny kind of a texture, absolutely zero white cast, and it is a physical sunscreen, so you can even apply it just like before stepping out of the home. And what I love about it is that, like, it gets blended so nicely. It comes in a pump-in bottle. Okay, so I feel the one of the biggest disadvantage of the product is the pump-in bottle, because you see my product is this much left. Okay, like here you see this much product is left, but when I pump it, nothing comes out, like literally nothing. I have even spoken to the brand about it. They have they have taken my complaints like really well, and they say that they'll try to improve the packaging, because it's really disheartening that you cannot use like almost near to half of the, okay, not half really, but yeah, this much product you cannot use, or if you have to use, you have to like shake it really hard and all that, which makes it difficult. So coming to the price point of view, again it is considering it's a very good sunscreen, it is priced only at 695 rupees. I have also kept this sunscreen as a part of my sunscreen review video. You can go and check that to understand the texture and everything of that sunscreen. I'll also give the link of the same in the description box below. I absolutely love this product, but then till the time they're not changing the packaging, I'm not going to repurchase it, because I'm not going to waste my money and waste this much of the product. Okay, so for me this rating is 3 out of 5. Okay, so coming to the last product in this haul, and which is the favorite, like I am never gonna leave this one. Like this is a gem of a product. Okay, so this is actually a lip mask, which it comes in a very runny kind of a texture again. Okay, let me show you the texture. See, it comes in a very runny texture, has a kind of strawberry kind of a smell, but which is not very overwhelming. It is absolutely a gem for people like me who have extremely dry lips. Okay, I have like lips which can be really compared to Sahara Desert. Okay, like my lips are hell dry, and it is quite pigmented as well. I feel this is also helping me reduce the pigmentation a lot, given the fact that if I use it like on a regular basis, which I am kind of intending to forget, I generally prefer using it at night because it's slightly on the sticky side, but then I don't mind it considering the fact that how much it does wonder to my lips. It is priced again at around rupees 549. Again, I got these actually rosehip seed oil and this lip mask from Amazon, so I got it at some discounted price as well. But then you can also buy it from their website or even buy it during those sale times to get it at a much cheaper cost as well. But then just a point to be noted here, which I again have raised to the brand, that their shipping charge is quite expensive. That is 100 rupees if you buy products below 999 rupees, which I feel is a little unreasonable. But then, oh my god, like talking about this product, this is ultimate. You would definitely should give it a try if you have lip pigmentation or even dry lips, both of it. I mean, it does wonder to both, and I am definitely gonna like keep on repurchasing this. And it's, I mean, required in very small quantity, just like just a pinch of it, and it's like, I mean, it's done like you do. I mean, it does what it claims that way. So yeah, that is all about all the products. And of course, okay, just my rating, it is completely 5 on 5 for me. So yeah, this is my ultra favorite. And yeah, that's all about all the products that I had from this brand. So made in India brands, I see like they're doing really great, and it feels so happy to see that, you know. So yeah, that's all. Like you know, if you all guys like this brand, do definitely try out the products based on the recommendation. I'm sure you're not gonna recommend on the basis of the kind of recommendation and my reviews that I have given you. And do mention in the comment box below, like if you have already tried any other products from this brand, how was that for you? So yeah, bye bye, take care, and please do subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed already. Bye.